You too. What's good, man? It's your boy Money Making, man. Them boy from Waco on the touchdown in the city, man. Big Ruccis. What you got on there? 5'3", 6'0"?
6'2".
6'2"? Ooh, LS3 power, man. My favorite goddamn grill, that NG Classic, bro. I swear I hate I got rid of mine. That bitch so goddamn gangster.
Tierra ain't got nothing on that.
Yeah, exactly. I focus with them. It took me a while to goddamn come off my shit, bro. I ain't gonna even lie to you, man. Yes, sir. Tucking on them roaches, man. What y'all think of you two? What year is it, my boy?
85.
85, tucking sixes, man. Man, we definitely go out to slide together, bro. How long you on this end? How long you down this way?
Probably all night.
All night? Okay, definitely. Shit, we can pull out and ride a little bit, man. You see it, you too. Back at you, YouTube. Driveway finally got this thing up and running, man. 6'2". She look good. He got it all cleaned up and everything, man. Hey, what your shirt say, man? Let me see that shirt, though. He got it on him. I told these boy rich over here, man. Tell him I come over here, it's always LS this, LS that. These motherfuckers looking good, boy. It says. Will Fist is going to be a good year this year. We coming, baby. You best believe that there. Driveway racing, you see it. Yes, sir. All these cars gonna be on the highway on June 10th, man. Better believe that there, we coming. There's probably about 6-7 more cars missing, but y'all see what the picture is, though. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all jump in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think of 6'2" LS Power. This one right here, 5'3" LS Power, man. Nothing but pressure. Right here, cooling that driveway out. This the man with the plan right here, man. He do more swaps than Walmart. Get that exclusive YouTube footage. But yeah, make sure y'all comment, like, share, subscribe, Money Making, man. Yes, sir. LS engines everywhere, YouTube. One in the making, got some heads right there. Huh. He got one fresh out the wrap. 6'2" Trav? 6'2".
Hey, that's what we got before when we got the LC4.
Oh, Bruce, he said he coming for you, Bruce. Hey, his car get dropped off here on the 7th. He coming down. He getting shipped to my house. You sure you want the prop, bro? That LT.
He ain't got enough.
Bruce, you hear him, Bruce?
He ain't got enough.
Okay, this is gonna be a good one this year. His car show gonna be here on the 7th.
He ain't got enough.
Hey, he don't fly in until the 8th, so I'm gonna bring it over here myself with the top off. Skirt, skirt. Well, yeah, we still working, man. YouTube, don't sleep on us, man. Trust the process. There's a lot of slow shit moving, but hey, when these finished results in the streets, y'all know what time it is. And we driving these things to whip fence. Ain't nothing on no trailers. Just know that. Nothing. Coming down the highway looking good. Nothing but old American muscle, man. Yes, sir.